So today I'm breaking down whether the Surface Laptop 7 is the AI-powered PC you should buy this coming holiday season. But before we go step by step, let me show you something way more interesting. If your Windows laptop ever gets low, freezes, or feels laggy, there's one hidden feature that instantly boosts performance. And I'll show you that part in a moment. Now, the Surface Laptop 7, this is Microsoft's first major jump into true AI PCs, powered by the Snapdragon, Elite, and X Plus chips. These chips promise instant wake, all-day battery life, and real-time on-device AI, meaning things like speech correction, background removal, and translation run without internet. And here's the part most people don't expect. The battery life is insane. You can get 15 to 20 hours of real use, which destroys most Intel laptops in the same price range. And thanks to the ARM architecture, the laptop stays cool and quiet even under heavy workloads. The display is bright, sharp, and comes in both 13.8 inches and 15 inches. The keyboard feels premium, and the new Copilot key is surprisingly useful for writing, summarizing, and productivity. But here's where the transformation moment hits. The app compatibility issues from older ARM laptops almost entirely gone. Microsoft's Prism translation layer makes apps like Chrome, Spotify, Zoom, and Adobe apps run way smoother than before. Now, remember that hidden performance boost? If your Surface ever slows down, go to Settings, System, Power, then turn on Performance mode. It removes background limitations and instantly makes the laptop feel faster. So, should you buy the Surface Laptop 7 in holiday 2025? If you want long battery life, AI features that actually save time, and a thin premium design, it's one of the best Windows laptop this year. If you want a full beginner setup guide for Surface Laptop 7, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.